Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the gestures navigation on your Redmi 14C. So you might have noticed by default, it comes with the buttons navigation. So you can, if you want to go back, if you want to go home, if you want to see the recent applications, you can simply use the buttons. Now, if you'd like to use the gestures, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is open the settings application on your device. So find the settings app and tap on it to launch it. And then within the settings, scroll down and select home screen. Tap on it and then scroll down almost to the bottom until you see the option system navigation. So tap on it and then I should see two options. There's the gestures and the buttons. So since you want to use the gestures, tap on the gestures options. And if you don't know what gestures you can use for your system navigations, simply tap on learn and then it will give you a brief tutorial on what gestures can be performed so that you can use your phone effectively. So if you want to proceed, simply tap on learn and then swipe from the bottom quickly to close applications if you want to close an application. So swipe from the bottom and pause to access all the recent applications that you have launched, and then swipe on the edge to go back. Also, you can swipe it from the left or right from the edge to go back, and there you go. Once you're done, tap on that I'm done, and that's it. So that's basically it on how to enable the system navigation gestures on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.